Hi, my name is Daniel Davies. I work here at Kraft Powercon, Sweden. Today we're going to demonstrate how to replace a power module from our FlexKraft Marine. All right, before we start with disassembling this unit, make sure the water and the power are both off. There are two sections on the roof that we have to take apart, the little plug and the lifting nut, the lifting eye. A knife or screwdriver could work. Make sure you're careful. Dig underneath the little plastic plug. Lift it up. Remember, we're going to reuse this. So that one's gone. Now you can loosen this with a screwdriver or maybe a wrench. We won't loosen this all the way. We'll just have it a little loose. We're going to go to the other side. Just like that. Grab my little wrench. So we're lifting these up. They've got little plastic washers. Don't lose those. I'm going to put these to the side of the machine. The little caps, the little plugs as well, and the tools. Okay, so you remove the lifting lugs, plastic caps. Where the plastic caps were, there's an opening. There's a screw in there on each side. You must remove this screw. It's placed somewhere around this level. Be careful because you don't want it falling out into the machine. This bit is magnetized. It makes the job a lot easier. So that's removed. As you can tell, we have no power connected to this unit as we're just doing this for demonstrational purposes. There's a screw back here, screw back here. There's also a washer between the screw. Make sure you don't lose that. So I'm going to put my screws over here to the side. Lifting the roof is fairly easy. Just go ahead and grab it, pull it straight up. I'm going to put it to the side here for the time being. Okay, since we took off the roof, to be able to get access to the front panel here, there are two things you're going to want to remember. I'm going to remind you when we get there as well. There's a ground cable connected to the front panel, and then there's a ribbon cable connected to this keyboard from our control board. That ribbon cable isn't very long, so when we take off the front plate, we're going to have to be a little careful so we don't pull it too far. So same thing here. You need the screw gun, 20 Torx. Remove the screws. Each screw has a washer. Try not to lose those. I'm going to leave this last screw here in place. This front panel has a little bit of tension. The larger units have even more tension. So remove the last few screws carefully. You could use your knee and place a little pressure into the front. So you're noticing it's popping out a little bit. So I loosen that. I'm going to hold this in place. To that one moment. So my hand is here on the front plate. So that screw is now loose. So we're going to remove the ground cable. You pinch the back and you pull it out. So here is that ribbon cable I was talking about. It snaps in here.